Welcome to this video on how to change the needle on your sewing machine. I'm going to show you how I do it on my Janome TXL 607, and it's normally a very similar process on most other brands of machine, but do check your sewing machine manual if you have one for any differences. You might want to change your needle for a number of reasons. For example, your needle is blunt, your needle is broken, or you're using a different type of fabric, so need to change up the needle to suit it. Firstly, you need to make sure your machine is switched off and then find the mini screwdriver, which is usually in the accessories drawer of your sewing machine. Raise the needle to its highest position using the hand wheel on the side of the machine. And make sure that the presser foot is lowered. Then take the screwdriver and loosen the screw which holds the needle in place. And make sure you loosen it enough to remove the needle, but don't take the screw out completely. Take hold of the needle and pull it downwards and then out of the machine. Pick up your new needle, which will have a rounded side and a flat side at the top. Hold it so that the flat part is facing towards the back of the machine and the sharp point is pointing downwards. Place it under the needle holder and push it up gently until it won't go any further upwards. Hold it in place with one hand, and with the other, take your screwdriver again and tighten the screw. And there you have your new needle installed and ready to start sewing. If you need support in threading your machine, check out my Sew Machine Know-How playlist.